Okay guys, now we have reading passage 3. Get ready. List of heading. I like list of headings very much because you can put them anywhere. Okay, don't worry. So, title of the passage, why companies should welcome disorder. You know disorder. So why should companies welcome disorder? This title suggests that they are going to talk about disorder in the companies and why companies should welcome. If there is a disorder in the company, they should welcome because they may learn something new, something different and all that. So why companies should welcome disorder. Now, can you see questions 27 to 34? They are which list of headings? And you can see the passage is labeled A, B, C, D. And they have used the word, reading passage 3 has 8 sections. When they use the word section, in one section there can be more than one paragraphs. Now tell me, how many paragraphs do we have in section A? 3. Section B? C, D, E? 1. Section F, G? 3 paragraphs. H? 1 paragraph. Okay, so you need to consider all the paragraphs. Now we've got list of headings and there are several questions. Now list of headings is type B questions, right? You can start with list of headings, but actually these questions are 8 questions, 9 questions, okay, 8 questions. On the other hand, if you come to questions 35 to 37, what is that? One word only. Questions 38 to 40? True, false, no. And both are type A questions. So it's a very, because you know, by the time you finish list of headings, you know what will happen? 5 minutes left. Maximum 5:30. Okay, so then you will try to do it, and when you do list of headings, it's overly complicated and confusing sometimes. So it's a very good idea to start from one word only. Then you should do true, false, not given, and by the time you come to list of headings, you will be familiar with the passage, and at the end you can do that. Okay? Now, let's start. Questions 35 to 37. Complete the sentences below. Question type is sentence completion. Choose one word only. All right, one word only, sentence completion, question number 35. And one more thing, usually, now always remember this thing, usually when they give you sentence completion with one word only in part 1 and sometimes part 1, usually the answers are in the beginning. Beginning means the first paragraph, sometimes second paragraph, or at best they start from third paragraph. So you need to start scanning from the first paragraph. Question number 35. Numerous training sessions are aimed at people who feel that they are not dash enough. Now it's the feeling of people. People who feel that they are not dash enough. They are not good enough. They are not whatever. Now let's come back. First paragraph. Numerous training sessions. Numerous training sessions are for people who think they are not good enough. I'm reading it from paragraph A. So I'm reading second paragraph of A. We have more strategies, time management, project management, and self. What is that? Time management, project management. What is that? Numerous training sessions. Let's read on. Then at any of other time in human history, we are told that we ought to organize our company, our home life, our week, our day, and even our sleep, all as a means to become more productive, means people who don't feel that they are enough. Now, for enough, they have used the word productive enough, more productive. Productive enough, more productive. So enough and more, they are synonyms. Correct answer here is productive. Question number 36. Being organized appeals to people who regard themselves as means who think about themselves as right? Being organized appeals to people who regard themselves as. Very next paragraph of A. This rhetoric has also crept into the thinking of business leaders and entrepreneurs, much to the delight of self-proclaimed perfectionists. Now listen, self-proclaimed means people who regard themselves. You know, sometimes a self-proclaimed IELTS guru. You know what is that? मैं IELTS गुरु हूं, मैं आपको ऐसी ऐसी टिप्स दूंगा कि आपकी नींदें हराम हो जाएंगी. Okay, something like that. So we call them self-proclaimed. Self-proclaimed means who regard themselves, and answer is perfectionist. Okay, हंसते रहें, हंसना नहीं छोड़ना. रीडिंग में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, हंसना नहीं छोड़ना. मुन्ना भाई, MBBS. Yeah, you got to smile. So, got it? Self-proclaimed. What is the word for that? Regard as. And answer is perfectionists. All right. Question number 37. Many people feel dash with aspects of their work. Now, feeling of people with aspects of their work. Many people feel dash with aspects of their work. It's the feeling of people with aspects of their work. Dissatisfied? Sure. Okay, please come to paragraph B. Paragraph B. Many people feel dash with aspects of their work. So, paragraph B. Ironically, however, the number of businesses that fail has also steadily increased. Work-related stress has increased. A large proportion of, and what is the word for this? Many people. Got it? Large proportion and many people, they are synonyms. A large proportion of workers from all demographics claim to be. Now, claim to be means many people feel. For feel they have used claim to be. Claim to be. If I say I claim to be unhappy, I feel unhappy. Right? Claim to be dissatisfied with aspects of their work. Now tell me, what is the phrase for with aspects of their work? With the way their work is structured and the way they are managed. Got it? So answer is dissatisfied. Okay, now you noticed one thing, in 3 paragraphs we found 3 answers. So it's good. We are safe now here. If we do true, false, not given, we can secure 6 answers. And most of them are going to be right. And in list of headings, we'll just deal with that later. Okay.